Hello friends, welcome 5 Best Tools Hub. In the intricate world of scientific exploration and everyday discoveries, the digital microscope stands as a beacon of innovation, transcending the limitations of traditional optical magnification. With the ability to capture, record, and analyze microscopic specimens with unprecedented clarity and detail, digital microscopes have become indispensable tools across a spectrum of disciplines. From scientific research laboratories to educational institutions and industrial facilities, the digital microscope's versatility and advanced imaging capabilities have revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with the microscopic realm. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the landscape of digital microscopy, offering a plethora of options tailored to diverse needs and applications. Whether it's high-resolution imaging for biological research, precise inspection in manufacturing, or immersive educational experiences, the top digital microscopes excel in delivering unparalleled performance, functionality, and ease of use. In this dynamic realm of innovation, we explore the top 5 contenders that have earned acclaim for their exceptional features, reliability, and contribution to advancing scientific exploration and discovery. Number 1. INSKAM Digital Microscope. The INSKAM Digital Microscope is a compact and versatile tool that brings the microscopic world to your fingertips. With its high-definition capabilities and portable design, it's an excellent choice for hobbyists, educators, and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the INSKAM Digital Microscope is its impressive magnification range, offering users the ability to zoom in from 500x to an impressive 1500x. This level of magnification allows for detailed examination of various specimens, from tiny insects to intricate circuitry. The inclusion of a 4.3-inch LCD screen ensures a clear and crisp viewing experience, eliminating the need for additional external monitors or devices. This makes it incredibly convenient for on-the-go use or for sharing observations with others in real time. Number 2. GUANMOU GM55 Digital Microscope. The GUANMOU GM55 Digital Microscope is an impressive piece of equipment that combines high-quality imaging with user-friendly features, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Here's a detailed review. Design and build. Constructed with a blend of plastic and metal, the GM55 feels sturdy and durable. The monocular drawtube design enhances ease of use, allowing for comfortable viewing over extended periods. Its compact size makes it portable and convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. Optics and imaging. With a magnification range from 50x to 1000x and a maximum magnification ratio of 1500x, this microscope offers exceptional versatility for various tasks. The 1080p resolution ensures crisp and clear images, allowing for detailed observation and analysis. The LED light with 8 LEDs provides ample illumination, ensuring bright and well-lit images even in low light conditions. Number 3. RIEVBCAU 9-Mark Digital Microscope. The RIEVBCAU 9-Mark Digital Microscope offers a comprehensive solution for both professional and amateur users seeking high-quality magnification and imaging capabilities. With a myriad of features packed into its compact design, this microscope is a versatile tool for various applications. One of the standout features of the 9-Marks is its impressive magnification capability, boasting up to 1200x magnification. This level of magnification allows users to examine objects in intricate detail, making it suitable for tasks ranging from scientific research to hobbyist pursuits. The inclusion of a 1/4 lens optic size ensures clarity and precision in imaging, while the 1080f HD video resolution and 16-megapixel picture resolution deliver crisp and vibrant visuals. Whether capturing images or recording video footage, users can expect exceptional clarity and detail. Number 4. Andonstar AD210 Digital Microscope. First and foremost, the AD210 boasts a large 10.1-inch screen, providing ample viewing space for detailed inspection and analysis. With a magnification range of 5x to 260x, users can explore objects with exceptional clarity and precision, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including electronics repair, hobbyist activities, and scientific research. The microscope is equipped with a high-quality 2-megapixel HD sensor delivering crisp and clear images and videos. Users can capture still images with a maximum resolution of 12 megapixels, 4032x3024 in JPEG format, ensuring precise documentation of observations. Video recording is also supported at various resolutions, including Full HD 1920x1080 at 30 frames per second, providing smooth and detailed footage. usage. One notable feature of the AT210 is its flexible focus range of 2 cm, allowing users to examine objects at different distances with ease. Additionally, the built-in LEDs and 2 fill lights ensure optimal illumination, enhancing visibility and clarity even in low light conditions. Number 5. TOMLOV 9 Mark Pro Digital Microscope. The TOMLOV 9 Mark Pro Digital Microscope is a powerful and versatile tool that brings the microscopic world to your fingertips. Boasting a range of features and accessories, it's designed to provide high-definition images and smooth operation for a variety of applications. One of the standout features of the 9 Mark Pro is its high-definition imaging capability, allowing users to observe specimens with incredible clarity and detail. With a magnification ratio ranging from 500x to 1500x, it offers impressive versatility, whether you're examining tiny organisms, intricate structures, or fine details in materials. Portability is another key feature of the 9 Mark Pro. Its handheld design makes it easy to maneuver and explore different specimens without being tethered to a fixed location. This flexibility is enhanced by its adjustable aluminum alloy stand, which provides stability when needed while still allowing for easy positioning. Many thanks for watching this video.